Hello, it's Peter from the maths team. I'm going to show you today how to play a very traditional game called Solitaire. This is Peg Solitaire, and if you look at the board I've got in front of me, you'll notice it's got lots of pegs in it. This is the traditional English version with one hole in the middle. It works by pegs jumping over each other horizontally and vertically, not diagonally, and you remove the peg that you've jumped over. And you see at the end how many pegs there are left in the board, and that becomes your score. Now, if you want to play the professional version, you can jump over all the pegs and remove the ones that you've jumped over and be left with just one in the middle. And that's what I'm going to show you to do now. I learnt this when I was about 8. That's over 50 years ago, and I've still remembered how to do it. Are you ready? Watch carefully. Have you noticed I'm doing actually the same movement every time, and I'm always getting them out from each of the corners. That one there, get this corner out here, and then to get that one out I move from there to there. So once you've learnt the move, and you can watch this video again of course, you see I'm repeating the same thing every time. Now I'm just going on a walk right around the edge, and there you have it.